Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Said Bashar and I am one of those who got training from FLC for OET exam, and then by the grace of Almighty Allah I have achieved the desired score for NMC UK with the help of FLC, and now I am working in the UK. It was really an exciting time and the premises of FLC with all the support and cooperation, and I found them all, particularly Sir Charlie, Sir Mohsin, and Sir Tawfiq, very cooperative, respectful, friendly, and helpful. And I must say that Sir Charlie is not only a skillful teacher, but he's a good friend of his students, and that really helps every student to gain confidence and communication, especially in speaking module. Moreover, Future Learning Center is a very handy platform for all those who's thinking of passing OET, IELTS, and all other English courses. So I must recommend that FLC is the right place for all of you, because the class timing schedule is very flexible for everyone, especially for all those professionals who is working actively. You can choose your class timing as per your convenience. Another thing is a very fantastic environment for study and preparation for exam, and that's really makes FLC exemplary from all other institutes. So I do encourage all of you to join FLC, and you will get your objectives towards your goals sooner or later with the help of all the passionate and hardworking management and teachers. And last, again, I'm thankful to Sir Charlie and all the FLC management, and I extends my gratitude and truly appreciate the efforts of Sir Charlie and FLC management. I wish you a good luck in future and success of institute and future. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.